hustle and still I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, still to know, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game. Take the best I say and put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find the door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
guys? Welcome to another live stream. Uh, right now candles are closing bullish. Seems like we're trying to go back up after having multiple rejections to the downside, creating a support in this level here and rejecting it multiple times. So right now it seems like the hour candle made some sort of a liquidity graph to continue going up. So I think we should continue going up. I have entered a trade around right here. What did I enter? I entered a trade, okay, yeah, right here. I've entered a trade right here. And I put the hour, looks better. But we'll see, cause yep, giving myself a chance to see if the trade plays out. It should continue going up. If we go to the 5-minute, we see some minor rejections to the wicks here, failing to continue down. So it was basically just the hour grabbing some more liquidity to continue the strength going up. So we should continue. So if you guys saw this trade in the stream before coming in, this is a key setup right here. You know, candles went up, came down, rejected again, twice actually. Then we broke previous candle highs. Our candle closed bullish. Next one open, made a pullback, and should continue. But keep in mind, we are a little bit of a pullback. It's like kind of like a pullback day. Candles are coming up, pulling back, coming up, pulling back. So once you have a chance to take profits and you're a lot of pips, you're in good pips and profits. Just take some of it, or take it all. You know, because potentially candles can come back to your target. I mean, to your entry, and you know you don't want that. So. But I feel like we should continue at least to 163. Yeah, at least to 163 or the target I have here. Let's see how the hour looks. Yeah, so the hour came down. Rejected from the same point that I put the line on, and looks like this candle is gonna fill out the previous 4-hour candle. Once we break the high of the hour candle, we'll be good. But I want to see that, because the only thing I'm scared of is not scared, it's just I want to see us getting away from that. If we stay below, it's like we have had 2 rejections from that same spot, and it's like, you know, the same thing could happen here. So hopefully some early volume comes in the market and we're able to push to the upside. Yeah, let's see if we leave this area. I'm definitely watching it really closely. Now we have had another rejection here, so let's see, right? I don't want this, 1, 2. I don't want this to be the third, so I want this to just break without any problem. Hopefully we do that. If we do, I feel like it's gonna be a good trade today. Yeah, we quite haven't left it yet. Quite haven't left it yet. Okay, it's looking good. Looking good to continue. Let's see if we can get an early volume push here in pre-New York session. It's not looking too bad right now. Okay, close half of my trade. Going break even. Perfect. Close half on 15 pips. I'm letting the rest run for a little more. Let's see what happens. If not, I will close everything very soon. You know what? Let's put this as one of the targets also. I think it's enough pips for people to be happy with it. Because that could be an area too that we reject from, so. Target 1. Target 2. Oh, let's see if we hit our targets. Here we go. There we go. Whoa. Another percentage of our trade close. Boom, baby. Let's go. Yeah, see, we had a little rejection there. So, guys, take profit. If you're in the trade, just take profit here. I mean, we don't know what could happen now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
What's good, bro?
Yo, what's good, bro?
Fucking nice trade, dude.
Yep. Woke up, I saw it happening. I'm like, yeah, hell yeah. It's gonna be an early one today.
Nice, bro. You went in at the flip of the 1 hour candle, right?
Yes, yes.
I see it, bro. I see it.
So yeah, just to go explain a little bit why I've entered. So I woke up, I saw that all throughout Asian session and all throughout New York yesterday, we've been going up and trying to correct this whole downward move, right? And what I've seen is this same pattern repeating itself. So I've basically seen candles coming up, coming down, creating a support, coming up again, creating a high, coming down, creating a support, coming up, and then doing the same thing, coming down, creating a support. So here we saw it twice in the kind of the same range, but here it was another case. Here we had double confirmation of candles to continue to the upside. So when I say that is that we came down to this zone here twice. So we came down, rejected it, came up, also when came down again, rejected it 2 times actually. So 1, 2. So that's indicating me that we're not gonna continue down to these zones here, or either to the lows, right? So what does that tell me? Well, if then next candles open and we start breaking above those candles, right, creating and giving confirmation in the hour candle for support, and also if you see the hour, if you see that 4 hour, we see that. If you see that 4 hour, we see that candles rejected twice to the same level, and in this candle was bullish, right? So I had that in mind, and I was okay. So what's the next thing that could happen here? So when I started seeing this hour candle was about to close, so I woke up like at 6:40 or 6:50. This hour candle was about to close above this candles. I mean, it closed a little below, but that's fine. Even better for me because I was able to get in a better buys. So So I saw that. Then my whole thought in my head was automatic. I was like, what's the next thing that could happen after this, right? So the next thing that could happen, the obvious thing that could happen, most likely, right? Because we're not fortune tellers here. But the government told me, the secrets told me that the next thing that could happen is that this candle will open, it will have some sort of a liquidity graph, and then it will start flipping and continue to the upside. So I called the government and told me that I was correct, and I made my move, and yeah. So
Yeah, you just went in.
and then
Yeah.
and
Thank God
and then
for the government, bro.
eh?
Thank God for the government. If
I
not,
know,
we'll be
bro.
fucked.
And another thing that gave it away that we were gonna head up is that if you see when you start visualizing the charts in a different way, you don't see this as a 5-hour candles, right? You see this as a whole hour candle. For me, I was looking at this as a whole hour candle. So the reason I was looking at it like that is that I was not worrying because this was coming down. If you see this two bearish candles in the hour candle, it was just that little wick. See? It was just that little wick, right? But if you go to the 5-minute, it's two bearish candles. But it's just the wick of the hour. So the hour is just making a pullback to grab some more liquidity and continue to the upside. So what was my whole thought about it? Okay, this hour came back a little bit. The next one opened, so it opened with this one. This is the open. This is a 5-minute open of the hour candle. So what did I see, right? I was like, okay, this hour candle open, right? It came down, rejected it from this zone here again, this previous zone that we had some problems from or whatever. And then the next 5-minute also opened, came down, failed to break below the previous one. So I was like, okay, it looks like we're about to make a higher low, right? You want candles to make higher lows. When you see candles making higher lows, it's because we are having a trend, a direction, right? So as soon as I saw that and I saw this candle coming up and then flipping, I was like, boom, just execute. Enter the trade, put my stops down here. If it decides to come back down here, whatever, I close my trades. Who cares? It was only like 6 pips. Who the fuck cares? I mean, that was an amazing trade, right? An amazing opportunity to get in. So that was my whole thought. As soon as I entered, boom, I was in profit right away. And yeah, I already took profit and everything. I gave you guys target number 1. If you guys wanted to take the whole profit, you took it. If not, I mean, up to you to hold this trade. I already took everything up here, with I think it was, how many pips did I get? It was, yeah, 20 pips, 20 pip trade. So this decent trade for today, decent trade.
Something like, bro.
Some light.
Nice though, bro. Good shit.
Yeah.
Flip.
I love waking up, and as soon as I wake up, I have a trade, bro. I can just relax for like the rest of the day.
Hey.
I mean, if something shows up later, whatever, out. But just relax, bro.
Yeah. Feel that.
Alright, I mean, for how the market is setting up itself, we should continue up. It's just expect to be a really pullback, rangy kind of market, right? That we are gonna have these moves, but it's gonna come back, and then it's gonna come back up again, and then it's gonna come back, and it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that, right? It's gonna be a mess, like unless at 8:30 there is news coming for US, right? The CPI news. So I know this is not for GBP, but usually when news for US comes out, there's some volume in the market, like even for other pairs. So
Right.
because
Okay.
US is the most important currency.
What's CPI, bro? Do you know?
It's some sort of numbers for the economy. I think it's
Change.
for let me see.
Yeah, change in the estimated value of all goods and service.
So it's like exactly. So it's for the groceries you buy, food you buy, all that stuff.
So inflation, pretty much.
Inflation, pretty much. Yes. Yes.
Actually,
hmm So if you see here, look, it's going up 1% from previous. It used to be. Look how low it used to be, bro. Look at that.
yeah.
It used to be 0. It used to be negative 1%. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Wow, bro.
The highest it's ever been. Look, 1%. Highest ever been, 1%. That means our food right now is expensive as fuck.
Damn.
Nie musisz być wielki.
Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we're keeping this formation of higher lows. So as long as, obviously, right, as long as candles don't start breaking below, this should continue. Yo, Sanders, look, when I end the stream, I want you to like, just think about it right now. Think about it right now, but I want you to like give me, kind of like a breakdown of what's going on, right? And what to expect for the future, okay?
Alright, for sure.
Just I want you just think about it right now, analyze the charts, give it a whole thought about it, and tell me what you think, okay? And give me a whole like kind of explanation of like where we're heading, where can we go, all those stuff, okay?
Alright.
Where you gonna expect to see things like that, okay?
Alright, I got you.
One sec. Oh, there you go. Damn, I wasn't looking at this. Should continue now. I mean, perfect. That's perfect. Oh. Well, it looks like we are gonna get to our target. We're pretty close to it. So, guys, so if you have any questions, please be free to ask in the chat. I will more than happily answer them. So, anything that has to do with educational questions, nothing of, oh, show me how much money you make, show me this, show me that, because what are you gonna learn from that, right? That's just people that ask that are literally caring too much about other people and not wanting to learn. So please, just ask some educational questions, questions that are gonna get you better. They're gonna give you some good information. If you are trying to learn, you have to ask the right questions, right? The reason I'm here on YouTube is because I've gathered this knowledge and I feel like sharing with people, because at the end of the day is I can help people too, you know. So, and this market is for everyone. It's not just for me, it's for everyone. Whoever wants to learn it, obviously. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's possible. It's up to you. as though there was a little bit of volume the last 3 minutes of the hour candle, so a little bit of push. So a new hour is about to open, guys. It's gonna open above this previous support here. So let's see what the next hour does. If it pulls back, and maybe we get another re-entry, you know. But yeah, it decided to push the last few minutes. The hour just open without a bottom wick, so it should come down to create that, and then possibly continue to the upside. But we'll see how much of a pullback this will do. Be patient if you are looking for re-entries or whatever. I mean, don't get in anything that is too aggressive, okay? Looks like it did the pullback that it had to do. So the market is showing some volume right now. We should reach target number 2 without any problems. We'll see.
Okay. Yo, you don't play any music or anything while you trade?
You can't hear it?
Huh?
I have music on YouTube. You can hear it?
Oh, no, I have your YouTube muted.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have it on YouTube. So I just
Oh,
listen to it like through my stuff, you know.
I got you.
Yeah, I have it on YouTube. I'm gonna change it. I don't like this one.
Ya no te busque.
So if you are trying to look for more trades, I think what I will do is, and what I'm also gonna try to do is, I will see where this 4-hour candle finishes, and wait for like some sort of a pullback for this 4-hour candle. The next 4-hour candle, so 9 o'clock, which is which is it was the open at 9:30, but it will also be the start of like the start of a new 4-hour candle. So that candle is basically gonna decide what else are we gonna do for the day. Either we're gonna continue this same momentum to the upside and go visit other targets, or are we gonna just range right for the rest of the day. So right now it does seem like we'll continue once that 4-hour candle opens, because we did close bullish. So I'll wait for the. It's gonna open in about 48 minutes. So it's at 9 o'clock. It's gonna open. Because right now we are sort of on a high, right? If you had to enter the trade, you had to enter the trade from down here. Okay, so don't have any FOMO. Like, just wait. There's gonna be setups. You just have to be patient and wait. Right now, I already have my trade for the day. If I see another setup, I might enter if I like it. If not, well, I just take the W that I took today, and that's it, and move on with my day. So one thing I want to say is we are in some sort of a 4-hour range, which basically is this whole zone here, right? So once we start leaving that zone to the upside, once we start breaking above these candles, then most likely that will be the supports we made from before, right? So we had multiple rejections, 1, 2, 3, even 4 rejections from the downside to continue down. So I think we should continue up, because if now you start looking at the daily is also making a strong support here. We failed to break it once again, came down, failed to break it once again, failed to break these wicks once again, and now this new daily candle is breaking above the previous, and it should continue heading back up, and also during this week, which tomorrow's gonna be Thursday. So yeah, Thursday, tomorrow, there still might be some volume in the market, and we might continue this trend up, right? Most likely. Right now we're just making this sort of a ladder formation, you know, going here, respecting, and then here right now we should make a new high, come back, and continue. So that's what I'm expecting. I feel like we can make a new high today, right? Come back, and then continue, and so on. So as long as we don't break below here, we're gonna continue. But if we do break below here, we could go revisit this zones here even lower than that. but I'm not anticipating that. I do feel like we're gonna continue to the upside, so we'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens during the coming days. Either way, it's just an anticipation to have an idea in our head to what to expect for the future. If something else shows up, and we capitalize from that and we make our trades. So guys, be aware that the news is about to come at 8:30. So we might see a lot of uncertainty in the market. So basically, just market going up and down really quick. I don't recommend never trading that. Is for what, right? You gotta, for me, just trade the after of that. You know, if it might be good for the market because it brings some volume, but wait until it comes down a little bit, and then start looking into trades if that's what you're looking for. Wow.
Yo no tengo que. No.
Okay, here we go. News just came out. Yeah, look at that. Look at this craziness. I knew it. I mean,
Holy shit.
yeah, that's what happens with news. So let's see, guys. Again, guys, I don't never recommend for you to trade this. Like trade this after, let's say, like after 5 minutes after the news. You know, when the market calmed down, when everything is, it's just settled down, and then you can get some setups from there. But I never recommend to do this because never to trade this because I mean you could lose all your profits you made that day, or I mean even I don't know. Up to you, but really don't recommend it. Well, we'll reach the target already, so let me just delete this.
Oh my god.
Yep. Well, other than that, guys, again, thank you for watching. I will continue this stream and also everything else in my private Telegram chat, where I'm gonna be with my members and things like that, giving out all the government secrets that I know and things like that I cannot share on YouTube because you know it's confidential and things like that. And yeah, if you guys are interested to join that, please message me. I have my Telegram listed below. I have my Instagram. You can DM me. And there, you know, I can teach you all my secrets, right? Given to me by the government. So, if you would like that, I'll be available. And yeah, other than that, guys, thank you again for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow again at the same time, 7 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you.